Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Henry, an information security consultant and educator, and holder of several certifications in information security. I look forward to sharing knowledge and experiences with you. Welcome to my security course on cloud architecture and concepts. This course will help you gain an essential understanding of the requirements to protect data and systems in the cloud. As many organizations are using cloud-based services, it's important that we know cloud computing concepts and architecture, the security principles of cloud computing, and how to evaluate cloud providers. By the end of this course, you'll be knowledgeable in the processes and elements of cloud security architecture. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about cloud security and how this can help you in your role and career through this course at Pluralsight.